The history of Jews in Afghanistan might date back as many as 2,700 years. Hi, I'm Breshna Omarkhel with Voice of America Afghan Service. But Genghis Khan's Mongol invasion in 1222 devastated the country and the Jewish communities. There seemed to be no evidence of Jews in ancient Afghanistan, as if they never existed, but they did, as mysterious documents now show us. Here is the story. There was only one remaining Jew in the whole country when work began in 2009 to restore this synagogue in the city of Herat. So it was turned into a school. Thousands of miles away, some of the descendants of Afghanistan Jews are expanding their synagogue in the New York City borough of Queens. Congregation Anshay Shalom, founded in 1976, is known as the only Afghan synagogue in the U.S. Over the centuries, Afghanistan's Jews were a tolerated minority. In 1964, Jack Abraham's father built the last remaining synagogue in Kabul. He says its Torah was later stolen by the Taliban.
These books are very important books. Wherever they are, we would like them back. I would be grateful to anyone for returning and taking care of them.
The ancient city of Herat once gave refuge to Jews facing forced conversion to Islam in Persia. This is a Herati Jewish marriage contract from 1867. At their peak, there were 40,000 Jews in Afghanistan. By the mid-20th century, it was just a few thousand, and the vast majority then left for Israel and the US. Still, Jewish life continued until Soviet invasion in 1979 convinced the remaining few hundred to leave. Sipora remembers a classmate from Kabul.
One of the best friends who comes to mind is Sarah Shahrawan. I don't know where she might be now. It makes me cry when I talk about her, because I miss her.
The ancient culture of the ancestors of Anshay Shalom's member had long been a mystery, as if they had vanished without a trace. But in January, manuscripts mysteriously smuggled out of Afghanistan provided the first physical evidence of the Jewish community life there. For Afghan Jews in New York, the connection remains. Says one, "It's part of my blood and my heart."